Hey guys, stuck in the League of Legends Reconnect loop in 2025. You launch the game, hit play, and it just keeps saying reconnect over and over. Don't worry, here's the easy fix. So, first of all, this bug usually happens because of a corrupted network config or stuck session data. Here's what to do. So, you can try this method. Not all solutions are necessary, so just work the list down. So first of all, run leak as admin via properties, update your network adapter driver, change your DNS server address, download and install Windows updates, remove critics workspace, ensure your security software is interfering with your game, disable debug memory dump. So first of all, run leak as admin via properties, and here on keyboard press the Windows logo and R keys simultaneously to open the run box. Copy and paste Riot game, League of Legends game, or hit enter to open the folder. So here you can see League of Legends.exe file, and you will have to go to the properties, and after coming to the properties you have to click on the compatibility menu, and you have to check this box, run this program as an administrator and apply and click OK. So if this doesn't work with you, then you can do another method like update your network adapter driver. First of all, you have to download and install the driver easy, and then run driver easy and click the scan now button, and after scanning you have to update all to automatically, and after updating restart your computer to take effect. And if this option also doesn't work with you, then you can change your DNS server address. So you have to go to Windows logo key and R on a keyboard to invoke the run box, and type cmd and press enter. And after that you have to copy ipconfig or flushdns and paste it on the pop-up windows, then press enter, and your DNS cache is successfully cleared. And after that, on your taskbar click right network icon and click open network and internet settings, and after that change adapter options. As you can see, change adapter options, and you have to click on ethernet and properties, and then you have to check internet protocol version 4 and click on properties. Then you have to use the DNS server addresses like 8.8.8, and is the following DNS server addresses. Just check on it and click OK. And if this method also doesn't work with you, so you can do download and install all Windows update. So for that you have to go to the Windows logo key and Windows settings and click on check for updates. Repeat these steps until you see the message you are up to date, ensuring that all updates have been installed. And if you are using Windows 10, you have to go to the Windows logo key, Windows settings, then update and security, and check for updates also. And repeat these steps until you see the message you are up to date. And if this method is not working with you, then you can also remove Citrix workspace. So for that you have to click on Windows logo and R key, and then type appwiz.cpl and hit enter, and then find the publisher Citrix or ICA client and right click it and select install. And after that, on your keyboard press the Windows logo plus R key and type cmd and press enter. And then you have to copy and paste this command, the .exe, and install and hit enter. And even if this method is also not working with you, then last of all you can do ensure no security software is interfering with your game. Like on your keyboard press the Windows key plus I to open the Windows settings app, privacy and security. Then you have to go to the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Under in exclusions B, select add or remove exclusions. Select add an exclusion and Then at these locations, Riot Vanguard, Riot Client, League of Legends, and last but not the least, disable debug memory dump if the other methods are not working with you. So you have to open the run menu and type sysdm.cpl and press enter to open the system properties windows. Here you have to select advanced, then startup and recovery, click on settings, then you'll find write debugging information and select none. And they also suggest you to revert to the default settings if disabling the debug memory dump doesn't resolve the issue. Now relaunch League. In most cases the reconnect loop is gone and you are good to go. If this worked, hit like and share it with your duo partner who's always reconnecting. Good luck out there.